And special thanks to this company who is nice enough to send us this solar light. This solar light is not just any solar light. You can see from the box, it looks a little different. Simple installation, two-way installation, solar energy, etc. It's made for a surveillance or security sign. So for example, you have one of these in your yard, you're able to see it during the daytime. But at nighttime, you can't see this sign. So with this little device, it'll go right on top of the sign. The sun will charge the battery, and at nighttime, somebody would be able to see this sign to know that you have a security system. Let's take it out of the box, take a look at it. So you have a set of screws, because you'll need those to put the little anchors on that attach to the sign. And then that's it for the box. So basically, little instruction set here, and then this is the actual light. So you can see you have an on-off switch. This is your solar panel, and these are your 5 LEDs. So you take these screws, you're able to attach said screws to the back like so, and then this is able to just clip on to a security sign. Let me put this together and show you exactly what it looks like. So I have used the 2 screws to put the mount on the back, and then the only other thing here is just to flip this over to on so that the sun will start to charge the battery, and then at nighttime it'll automatically cut on. There is also these little pieces, which if you wanted to, instead of putting this back on right here, you could screw this into the back and then use the included screws to wall mount this if you needed to. So we'll just use the sign, and then literally we'll just take this part and slide it onto our sign, kind of like so, and there we go. That's it. It is installed. The sun will charge it throughout the day, and then tonight I'll show you exactly what this looks like. And there we are. There is this solar powered security light on at nighttime, charged up all day, and now it is lit up at night. Puts off a lot of light. If I go to widescreen, you can see how much of the grass is actually lit up, but it's super bright, nice and clear. You can clearly see the sign. So thanks again to the company for sending this to me to unbox and demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.